The famous web browsers today: Mozilla Firefox, free open source; Google Chrome by Google; Internet Explorer by Microsoft. Then we have Apple, Safari, we have Opera as well. So these are most popular. It depends on you, which is comfortable to you. So this is ncert.nic.in is an address, is the website name, and that page which will open will be the first page that will link you to the other pages. So what is this linking? These are hyperlinking. As I said, whenever you have a website, whenever you select a website or you enter a website, you see a page. That page, say the website is having 100 pages. 100 pages will not be shown. Only one page will be shown. That is called the index.html page normally. So this page, default page, is going to come for that website. And now this website will have different links. And these links are highlighted and underlined words which will be on your web pages. When you click on this hyperlinks, for example here f.html, s.html, when you click this, it will take you to another page, or it will open in the same page where index.html was there. Same page will be open on this page. Okay. So whenever you enter the name or address or URL, right? So whenever you take your mouse on any hyperlink, you will know that it is clickable. Other text, even if you take your mouse cursor, it won't highlight. So this is the web browser. So when we open the website, we want this new page to be opened on another tab. So now you can open the different pages in different tabs rather than opening it on the same page where index.html was there. So this basic page has all the linking to other pages, which is hyperlink. Okay. Hyperlink is linking the different pages, which is making a whole website. It will take you to different pages of the same website. Okay. So the first thing, whenever you open a browser, the first thing comes is the address bar where you actually put the name of the website, like www.yahoo.com, www.google.com. So shortcut is Alt D. Okay. You can type this uniform resource locator or address, which is the website name. Tab browsing means, as I said, you can open the different pages in different tabs rather than opening on the same page, because you want to see all the pages whichever in you are interested in. So or Control T you can use. Then you can go back and forward. This back and forth you can do. Alt left arrow or Alt right arrow you can use from your keyboard. Refresh button, though it is not required right now. Why? Because most of the time previously the bandwidth was low, the data speed was very low, 2G systems. So whenever we load a web page, some of the content won't come. So we have to refresh so that all of it comes. So F5 or refresh is basically getting the whole page at once. As I said, we have 5G, we don't need it that much today. But sometimes if it happens to you, just press F5. So how to browse a web page? You can just go to Google. You can type certain thing, and whenever you type certain thing, your topic, you will see various links. You can take that link, whichever you are interested in, and then you can get the information. Whatever work you want to do, you can do. So before going to the question, let me do the practical. So we'll open the browser. I have Google Chrome. I have all of them actually. I have Mozilla also and Internet Explorer. Google Chrome is what I prefer. What everyone's prefer actually. So when you open this is the address bar. This is the address bar of a web browser. And because I have logged into my Google account, that is why all this is shown. So we were typing www.ncert.nic.in. Now you see what will happen. When I enter this, it is saying, see, I'll just enter. This is a website name. This is the URL I'm typing. But here is the problem. It is not secure. That means it is not HTTPS. hypertext transfer protocol, the protocol on the background it uses. So this is something fishy. Someone has made a replica of nic.in. So now I have to go back. I have to see the genuine website. That was a fake website, right? Now you see this original website, actual website has S. S is for security. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Secure Socket Layer, SSL is there. So now you are opening a website. Now this website, whichever website you open, this is the basic page of website, the whatever website you open. Now whenever I take a mouse somewhere, I get links. For example, whenever I move, see the color is changing of the content. So these are different hyperlinks. So if I press about us, the same page is overwritten. Back, from here you will go back and front, the last page you have visited. So I'll do what? I'll right click and open in a new tab. I want one more page. Let us say this page I want, programs. So if you see, I want these, I am interested in these 3 pages. So I right click, open it in a new tab. So now different tabs are there. I can go here, different tabs. And now I can have my information, my work. Okay. So this is how the tab works. This is how the back and forward work. And if you want to search something, it's very easy. If you are logged in into Google, you just type anything in this Google address bar. Here also you can just type here. Or rather you can go to google.com and now you can just type. You know, most of the time people are logged in into Google, that is why. So if I type something, say hill station, say Dehradun is a good hill station. Let us say India. So now I want to go for my vacation. I will select the links, and these links are not links, these are websites basically. If you want certain images to be shown, you can go to images. Map also you can see. News of this particular topic is also seen. Shopping you can do everything. You know, it's information is bombarded today. You know, everything is there. So now when I open this link, these are not hyperlinks. These are hyperlinks. Sorry, these are hyperlinks, but these are hyperlink taking us to a different website. Every page is a website, so Google will also have every page is a website. Every page will have hyperlink, so Google will also have hyperlink.